Why is crypto down today? July 4th, 2025. Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency. Market. There's a 10% chance that BTC will surpass $130,000 by the end of August and a 15% chance that ETH will surpass $3,300 in that same period, according to decentralized on-chain options platform Derive.xyz. Journalist. Fadilpašić. Journalist. Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 4th, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. In complete contrast to yesterday's picture, the crypto market is down today with nearly all of the top 100 coins per market cap seeing their prices fall over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has dropped 4.2% to $3.43 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $97.3 billion, notably down compared to yesterday's $120 billion. TLDR. The crypto market turned downwards. BTC stands mostly unchanged at $108,836, while ETH fell 2% to $2,547. All eyes are now on the Fed, macro data, and further geopolitical developments. ETH has the stronger momentum narrative, but BTC's options market is coiled for a decisive move. U.S. spot BTC ETFs recorded the highest positive daily flow in 6 weeks. Spot ETH ETFs resumed inflows. Traders are betting on a big July. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, only one of the top 10 coins per market cap is green. Bitcoin, BTC, is down 0.4%, meaning it's mostly unchanged, currently trading at $108,836. Ethereum, ETH, has seen a drop of 2.1%, currently changing hands at $2,547. Dogecoin, Doge, saw the highest decrease in this category, 4.4% to the price of $0.1673. At the same time, Tron, TRX, is the only green coin, but with a rise of 0.4%, meaning it's practically unchanged over the past day at $0.2856. Moreover, 5 of the top 100 coins saw increases, but only one of them was high enough to move the price. Pudgy Penguins Pengu is up 1.8% to $0.01576. On the other hand, Pepe saw the highest decrease of 8.3% to $0.0000097991. The Pudgy Penguins team recently summarized their accomplishments over the past few months, including a partnership with NASCAR, going live on Upbit and Revolut, CBOE filing for the Canary Pengu ETF, and more. Meanwhile, shares of DeFi Development Corporation jumped 17% on Thursday after the company revealed it had acquired $2.7 million worth of Solana as part of its crypto treasury strategy. Earlier this week, it said it planned to raise $112.5 million through private placements, expected to close Monday. Traders are betting on a big July. Sean Dawson, head of research at decentralized on-chain options platform Derive.xyz, commented that June's biggest price swings were geopolitical. We saw major drawdowns during key escalation points in the Middle East on June 13th and 22nd. That said, limited volatility spikes tell us markets were betting on limited fallout. That's exactly what played out, Dawson says. The muted response in monthly volatility suggests traders correctly anticipated that hostilities would be contained. Moreover, volatility trended lower across both ETH and BTC. The former's 30-day implied volatility fell from 44% to 36% and the latter's from 68% to 60%. BTC and ETH 30-day volatility. Dawson continues, traders are betting on a big July with volatility suppressed and positioning split. All eyes are now on the Fed, macro data, and further geopolitical developments. ETH has the stronger momentum narrative, but BTC's options market is coiled for a decisive move. Upside catalysts for BTC to hit $130,000 include the U.S. Federal Reserve rate cuts at the July 29th meeting, 25% chance, and de-escalation in Israel's war against Iran and Palestine. Downside catalysts that could result in the price retreating to $90,000 include a hawkish Fed tone, hot inflation print, increased tensions in the Middle East, ETF outflows, and minor capitulation. Finally, per Dawson, there's a 10% chance that BTC will surpass $130,000 by the end of August, and a 15% chance ETH will surpass $3,300 in that same period. ETH sentiment is significantly more bullish than BTC's, he says. Robinhood's announcement of an L2 on Arbitrum for tokenized stocks in the EU could reignite the real-world asset RWA narrative around Ethereum. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing, BTC trades at $108,836. It has seen quite choppy trading over the past day. The price fell to the $180,830 level twice, and its current price is its intraday low. This follows a drop from a daily high of $110,386. At the same time, Ethereum is currently trading at $2,547. As the chart shows, the coin went on a continual drop from the daily high of $2,630 to the lowest daily point so far of $2,532 before rising slightly to the current price. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment remains mostly unchanged within neutral territory. The Fear and Greed Index increased from 55 yesterday to 55 today. Investors continue to wait for additional news and signals that would prompt a further rise to greed or a drop to fear. Notably, on July 3rd, U.S. BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, recorded inflows of a whopping $601.94 million. This marks the highest positive daily flow in 6 weeks since May 22nd. Of the total amount, Fidelity accounts for $237.13 million, BlackRock $224.04 million, and ARK and 21 shares $114.25 million. Also, on July 3rd, U.S. ETH ETFs recorded inflows of $148.57 million, significantly higher than the July 2nd outflow of $1.82 million. BlackRock and Fidelity saw the highest positive flows of $85.38 million and $64.65 million, respectively. Meanwhile, Singapore-based crypto firm Amber International completed a $25.5 million private placement for its $100 million crypto ecosystem reserve fund. The Nasdaq-listed company announced its crypto reserve strategy early this year, diversifying allocations in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. It's now expanding to Binance Coin, XRP, and SUI. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market has dropped over the past 24 hours, while the U.S. stock market saw another day of mixed performance on Wednesday. For example, the S&P 500 increased by 0.83%, the Nasdaq 100 went up by 0.99%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.77%. However, Ruslan Lienka, chief of markets at Hodler, argues that Bitcoin stands poised to follow equities to new highs. This week saw a surge in optimism across U.S. equity markets, with the S&P 500 hitting a new 8th. If the S&P 500 holds above its previous February peak following the release of the non-farm payrolls data in the coming weeks, it could serve as a strong technical and psychological catalyst not just for equities but also for the cryptocurrency market. Is this dip sustainable? This appears to be another short-term dip in the market, marking minor decreases before additional pushes higher. In the medium term, analysts expect the prices to continue increasing overall, regardless of unavoidable drops. You may also like live crypto news today, latest updates for July 4th, 2025. The crypto market is showing mixed signals today, with the total crypto market cap falling 2.9%. Bitcoin is up 0.5% over the past 24 hours, currently trading just above $109,000 after briefly crossing $110,300. Ethereum has held strong position, rising over 0.7% and trading above $2,570. But what else is happening in crypto news today? Follow our up-to-date live coverage. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics, price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sacks as White House AI and crypto czar. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Crypto analyst says Wall Street's full-scale entry is just beginning, $100 XRP next target. Press releases. Crypto price prediction today, July 1st. XRP, Pepe, Shiba Inu. Sponsored. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Swiss bank embraces Ripple's lust, billions flowing into XRP? 15 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 5, 2025. 1 day ago. By NSS, Tavares. 11 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025 pre-sale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovic. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovic. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovic. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 4 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 7 hours ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2nd, 2025. By Ben Beto.